Why wouldn't you go vegan?
I don't think my family would be too happy with me.
I think there would be a little silent judgment.
Heavy on big meals and it consists of a lot of meat.
So, I'm vegan now. What? No, we love our meat in this house. What are you gonna eat? You got to sauce. Oh, you're a sweet tooth. What does that mean? Like no more sweets? You want one? You're gonna give up chocolate? I'll believe it when I see it. There's more in the pantry. But what about family ice cream? It's what we do every Friday night. I don't think this is gonna last till Friday. What am I gonna cook for you? You're not. Actually, I got something for you. Family favorite? Bolognese, but vegan. One of my favorite ways to impress friends or family is to cook for them. This is one of my favorite recipes. It's a TVP bolognese, a safe option, it's a comfort meal, and super easy to make. One of my favorite recipes on VegKit. Packed full of protein, super easy to make, super affordable, and delicious. Mum, what do you think? Well, is this even real food? Where did you say you got this recipe from again? That is very good.